If your Koorui monitor isn't playing any sound, don't panic. It's probably not broken, it's just a little misunderstood. Most Koorui monitors don't actually have built in speakers, even if you see an audio jack on the back. That means you won't hear anything directly from the monitor itself, no matter what you try. Start by checking the monitor carefully. If there are no speaker grills or volume buttons, that confirms there are no internal speakers. The 3.5mm audio jack you see is actually an output, not a speaker. It can pass sound to external devices like powered speakers or headphones, but it won't produce sound on its own. To get audio, connect a pair of powered speakers or a headset using a standard 3.5mm AUX cable. Plug one end into the monitor's audio output and the other into your speakers or headphones. Then, make sure your computer is sending the sound to the correct output. Right-click the speaker icon in the bottom right corner, open sound settings, and select the right device. Usually, this will be the HDMI or DisplayPort output connected to your monitor. It's important to remember that the monitor itself cannot amplify audio. The audio jack is purely a pass-through, so without external speakers or headphones, you won't hear anything. Once your external device is connected and selected in your system settings, you'll finally get clear, crisp sound for games, videos, or music. This setup is simple, but it's often overlooked, and knowing it saves a lot of confusion when setting up a new Koorui monitor.